Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA still seems to be caught in this holding pattern. Yesterday I discussed the bigger picture. In this video I just want to focus here again on just the micro structure here because nothing really happened. Interesting is that Bitcoin moved yesterday, some other altcoins moved. ADA remains caught in its holding pattern. We pretty much have here the gray wave count complete. We are still dealing with a situation in which we are very close here, in my opinion, to a breakout of this holding pattern. I mean, it's essentially a consolidation pattern, a so-called triangle. The price is moving here in higher lows and lower highs. And this is typically indicative of an aggressive breakout coming. Which direction exactly will need to be seen. But certainly we have the the gray wave count technically complete. So we've got 5 waves complete in the triangle that should break to the upside. A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. Can always extend a bit, yeah. But a break above the D wave high, which is at 40 cents, would be a first indication that it's going in the right direction. A break above the B wave high at 41 cents would be a confirmation, and then targeting 43 to 48 cents next in this wave 5, possibly even a little higher. But then it's only about maybe getting one more high, so it's not really the most interesting trade setup, but it's it should give us one more high in this wave 5. That's currently the primary scenario, tracking basically 5 waves up in this A wave. A waves can have 3 or 5 waves, but because we see here this potential consolidation, which can often happen in a wave 4, and because a consolidation or correction like this, sideways correction in a triangle, is often the second to last move in a wave, I just assume another wave is therefore due and planned by the market. And therefore, it makes sense to assume it as a wave 4. But that's only one scenario, but that is definitely a possibility that you can justify. A triangle is never the last wave, a triangle is the second to last. So there should be one more coming in this A wave cycle. So it could be a wave 4, and that's basically the gray count. Yeah? The gray count indicates that the triangle is a wave 4. I just show the subwaves here, and it could be complete, but needs a confirmation with a break above these levels. Now, of course, markets are non-linear, and a triangle can also break to the downside. That would be the assumption that we're actually forming here a B wave triangle in a larger A, B, C structure. B waves can also be triangles. Remember what I said, B waves triangles are the second to last wave of a cycle. So ABC is also a corrective cycle, and the B wave and the triangle. Yeah? Could be a B wave in the middle of that with one more C wave to come. So that would, however, not really change the overall assumption, because also after that ABC structure is done, which would be corrective, another high would be preferred. And here the condition would be to confirm that we have a breakout to the downside. The first indication, but really earliest indication, would be a break below 36.8 cents. Better would be a break below the 35.6 cent level. Yeah, and then I'm watching for the price to get a little lower in this orange support area, targeting possibly 32.6 or 30.7, maybe 29 cents. As long as these levels are holding one of these, we are looking for another 5th wave in wave A to the upside. Before then, we can get a B wave pullback and a C wave rally. If the price goes below the orange support area, I will first assume that the A wave finished already in 3 waves. That's the white wave count, and we are in a B wave pullback. As long as corrective, that's my view. And then we get a C wave later and just have the possibility to pull back a little lower, but it would be a slightly different wave pattern. Either way, against the 26.4 cent level, the focus can be on higher prices. That's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.